Hello again. I would like to welcome you to a series videos I developed as a part of my Hospitality Intelligence and Analytics course. Today we are going to focus on customer analytics. Let us start by defining customer analytics. Customer analytics refers to the systematic use of data to understand and predict customer behaviors, preferences, and needs. This isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about uncovering patterns and insights that to drive decision making. The scope of customer analytics is broad. It includes analyzing transactional data, such as purchase history and spending patterns, which tell us how customers are interacting financially. It also involves behavioral analytics, where it tracks actions like website navigation or product usage to identify or if they are happy with the purchase, like customer satisfaction. On top of that, we use demographic profiling to categorize customers by characteristics like age, income, or education, and psychographic segmentation to dive deeper into their values, attitudes, and lifestyles. For example, understanding that one segment values sustainability while another prioritizes luxury can shape tailored offerings to those customer segments. Why does this matter? The businesses that leverage customer analytics can craft targeted campaigns, improve service delivery, and offer personalized experiences. These insights ultimately lead to better customer satisfaction and, of course, increased profitability. Understanding customer behavior is absolutely critical for businesses in any industry, especially in hospitality and tourism. Customers drive revenue, shape brand reputation, and even influence operational priorities. So when we analyze customer behavior, we empower managers to make data-driven decisions that improve experiences and outcomes. One of the most significant advantages of understanding customers' behavior is personalization. Customers expect businesses to know them well. For example, a hotel can recommend activities or rooms types based on guest past preferences. This level of personalization builds trust and loyalty. Another benefit is resolving pain points. Let's say restaurants receive consistent complaints about slow service during peak hours. By analyzing turnover rates and staff schedules, they can adjust operations and improve efficiency. Most importantly, understanding customer behavior plays a major role in retention. Studies consistently shows that retaining a customer is far more cost effective than acquiring a new one. So behavioral analysis helps identify at-risk customers, allowing businesses to implement targeted strategies before it's too late. Beyond immediate operational improvements, these insights shape broader strategies like marketing campaigns and resource allocation. They even help businesses to adapt to external challenges. For example, during COVID-19, many hospitality businesses shifted to contactless services in response to the changing customer expectation. In essence, understanding customer behavior is not just about optimizing operations today, but is also about building strategies for the long-term success of your business, your properties. Now, customer analytics has come a long way. Traditionally, business relied on basic metrics and simple data sets, like transaction records and demographic profiles to assess past performance. These insights were often static and descriptive, providing only a snapshot of customer behavior. But let's not forget, this is still needed, of course, and we are still even used today. However, digital transformation completely changed this landscape. With the rise of the internet, business could track customers' behaviors in real time. For instance, data on clicks, searches, and purchase history gave us deeper understanding of customer preferences. Social media further enhanced this transformation. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allowed businesses to monitor customer sentiment and brand perception dynamically. Mobile technology added yet another dimension. With location based data and app engagement, businesses could now track customers' behavior in real time. For example, hotel can use geolocation data to send targeted promotions to nearby customers, assuming that app can track that kind of information. Let's not about just a point here. Let's not forget about the privacy and if the people's gonna be happy or not happy that they got targeted promotion for nearby customers, right? So today, AI, the artificial intelligence, and big data have changed customer analytics. They revolutionized the customer analytics. Predictive models can forecast which customer at risk or leaving or what they are likely to purchase next. Other tools like chatbots and recommendation engines provide instant personalized responses to customers. Any advanced analytic methods help businesses identify emerging trends and adapt the strategies to stay ahead. So, in overall, customer analytics has evolved from simple descriptive methods to sophisticated AI-driven strategies. Of course, measuring the success of customer analytics starts with identifying the right metrics. In order to be sure that whatever you do works, you need to be able to measure it first. In order to measure it, you need to identify the right metrics, right? So these are just few of the things. These kind of metrics in customer analytics evaluate the performance, track customer satisfaction, and some other things. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics. First, Net Promoter Score (NPS). This is a widely used measure of customer loyalty. It is based on a single question: how likely are you to recommend this service to others? Responses are categorized into promoters, passives, and detractors, offering a clear snapshot of customer sentiment. Next is the customer lifetime value. This metric estimates the total revenue a business can expect from a single customer over the course of their relationship. It's particularly useful for prioritizing resources and loyalty programs. We also have a retention rate, which tracks the percentage of customers who return within a specific period. Retaining customers is far more cost-effective than acquiring the new ones, I just repeated earlier. So this metric is vital for long-term growth. Other important KPIs like customer satisfaction and customer effort score. Customer satisfaction measures the satisfaction with specific interaction, such as resolving a service issue or like room amenities, etc. While customer effort score evaluates how easy it is for customers to complete tasks like making a reservation or placing an order. I mean, you design the web page, but are they going to be able to really do making a reservation? Especially the earlier system is very painful to use. Now things are getting easier. Modern tools like CRM system and survey platforms make it easier to track these metrics. Additionally, social media analytics can provide real-time insights into customers' engagement and sentiment. Now, these are just a few examples. Let's not forget that there are much more and depends on what you need in your business. So, customer data is the foundation of analytics. Where does it come from? So, let's explore three major sources in here. First is the CRM system. These centralized platforms where businesses store and manage customer data. For example, majority of the CRMs can track interaction, purchase histories, and customer preferences. This enables effective segmentation, personalized marketing, and retention strategies. Next are the surveys, which are incredibly flexible tools for gathering direct feedback. Business can survey to measure satisfaction, service quality, and preferences. Formats vary. Some are online, others are in app or even SMS based, or just give it when the people coming and going. You can just hand them the paper version. Good example is using post-stage surveys to collect, for example, the net promote scores or customer satisfaction metrics. The timing of the surveys matters too, as immediate feedback often yields the most accurate insights. And another and most common lately using is that we have a social media online reviews, which provide real-time, unfiltered feedback. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TripAdvisor are gold mines for understanding customer sentiment. For instance, analyzing reviews on TripAdvisor can reveal trends like praise for hotel's location or complaints about slow service, right? So advanced techniques such as sentiment analysis and keyword extraction make it possible to identify recurring themes and actionable insight. There are other data sources too. Of course, these are just a few examples, but by combining these sources, businesses can create a 360-degree view of their customers. So it's and using the business analytics helps them make better decisions. Customer analytics also employs several methods to extract actionable insights. Let's briefly touch on the first set. First is the customer satisfaction and service quality analytics. These rely on tools like Net Promoter Score, customer satisfaction metrics, and ServQual to evaluate how well a business meets customer expectation and identify areas for improvements. I also added another video for service quality as an additional just to help you. Next, customer journey and touchpoint analysis. These helps visualize customers' path from booking to checkout, allowing businesses to identify and optimize critical interaction for seamless experience. Or these are example of a hotel, but in the restaurant is the same, like from reservation to the check-in to going to table to the food and the interaction with the waitress. Now, the next one is the customer value analysis. It uses methods like RFM segmentation, which looks at the recency, frequency, and monetary value to identify loyal customers. Customer lifetime value helps prioritize resources by estimating long-term revenue from individual customers. We also have a text and sentiment analysis we talked about earlier, which extract insights from unstructured feedback such as online reviews or social media comments. This involves identifying recurring themes and assessing whether sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral to learn what the people tell about your property. Finally, predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast customer behaviors, such as the likelihood of churn or repeat purchases. This helps businesses proactively design retention strategies. Continuing with the key methods, we have several more analytical approaches. Customer complaint and service recovery analytics focus on identifying recurring issues and assessing how effective recovery efforts are improving customer satisfaction. Cross-selling and upselling with market basket analysis is about analyzing purchase patterns. For example, hotel might discover that guests who book spa appointments are also likely to order room service, which informs targeted promotions. Customer loyalty analytics uses tools like Net Promoter Score and loyalty programs data to improve retention by tailoring rewards and addressing concerns from detractors. With cohort analysis, businesses group customers based on shared characteristic or time frames, tracking behavior over time to evaluate strategies to long-term impacts. Heat maps for digital behavior analytics shows customer interaction patterns on websites or apps, revealing opportunities to optimize interfaces for better engagement or conversions. Dynamic pricing analysis enables real-time price adjustments based on demand and competition, which is particularly valuable in fluctuating markets like hospitality. We're going to talk a little bit more about this in the revenue management and pricing analytics. Lastly, service blueprinting is powerful tool for mapping out service delivery process from front-end interaction to back-end and operations, helping businesses to streamline inefficiencies and enhances overall quality. Okay, thank you for watching.